Here we go.
Taking a break from my calendar this afternoon to go back on the record with regard to State of Georgia versus Edric Faust, SU 24-00547. The jury has been deliberating since 12:30, and this is question number 1. To the judge, the jury requests the DNA reports and transcript/video of Ricketts' testimony. Mr. Yalmanchili, Mr. Bolden, any response before I say what is allowed?
Your Honor, I think the jury has to recall those facts for themselves, both as it relates to the DNA reports. They were admitted into evidence, but I don't believe that they would go back to the jury due to the continuing witness rule. And as it relates to Mr. Ricketts' testimony, the jury would need to recall that themselves as well. That would be the state's position.
All right, Mr. Cruz.
As far as the testimony regarding Ricketts, I do agree. They do have to go off of their notes. But as far as the DNA reports, they aren't evidence. I would say they'd like to come out here and look at them, and you could pass it around to the jurors through the jury box. We have no issue with that.
All right, thank you. Okay, so this is the law. The law allows both of these requests to be had. The jury is allowed to rehear testimony, obviously, as long as it's in the courtroom. We're going to queue it up for Ricketts' testimony if they still want to hear it. And the jury is allowed to review anything in evidence, but it has to be, of course, in open court. It can't be, it would be subject to continuing witness rule if it were back in the jury room. But in open court, they are allowed to look at anything that's been admitted to evidence. So I'm going to have the jury come on out, just have them come out, and I will respond to their question in total. Thank you.
So Ricketts was the DNA expert, or one of them, I'm guessing?
Oh, I don't remember.
I'm going to ask counsel to go look at the reports while they're listening and make sure you all are in agreement what we're talking about. Thank you.
I was getting ready to push fast forward, and I'm like, oh, this isn't my screen, and it's live.
Yeah. No, I did have it.
We are back here resuming the trial, State of Georgia versus Edric Faust. I've already put this on the record, but since you're in front of us, I'll put it on again. SU 24-CR0547. The jury has been deliberating since 12:30. Thank you all for being on time today. I'm having you out here because I'm responding to your message. And the message reads, the jury requests the DNA reports and transcript/video of Ricketts' testimony. The answer to both of those questions are yes. You can see anything that's in evidence. It has to be done, of course, in open court. The attorneys are going to get together and make sure they know what reports you're referring to and have you look at them out here in open court. But while they are doing that, we are going to replay the transcript of Ricketts' testimony. And there's no video, but the transcript is allowed by law to be heard again by all of you. So as soon as Ms. Satterfield is ready to play it, this is not a perfect system in terms of being able to sort of transcribe it to all of you. And so if it's faint, sometimes we put a microphone to the actual computer. We'll see how it goes. Thank you.
Interesting.
Yeah. In almost all other trials.
You may proceed. Thank you, Ms. Satterfield.
In all other trials, they have to be specific. What parts? Otherwise, because Mr. Ricketts was up there for a while. And we have different, if Mr. Ricketts is, if it is the cop hiding from the defense, or if it is the truck customs one.